Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to Tax Pro Docs. This portion of the video is on how to request the documents for a client, which of course to me is the most exciting part about Tax Pro Docs, because this will alleviate that customer that always comes into the office that wants that money back very quickly but always forgets to bring those documents. You know what I mean? So this time, this year, you'll be able to catch them before they ever get out of the parking lot with the nifty little text message or email to let them know that you need those documents. And it will even help them get the documents for you. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So from our home page, what we would need to do is load an existing client. I'm going to use Test Webinar so we can stay uniform here. Alright, we'll click on Test Webinar's name. Of course, that brings us into client details, which on the client details page, of course, we have our name, social, email, phone, date we were added, and whatnot. And we're able to add tax form, driver's license, and social security number with the three categories. Remember, we have spouse, dependent, as well as the taxpayer there. So we're going to request documents by clicking on the button. We have email or text. I'm going to choose email. This will bring us to the request documents via email, which is also the same as on text. We have our client, which is Test Webinar. You see that it's going to chall@taxproalliance.com. The message is, of course, the message that we have that we've added, whether it be the default message or a message that you add on your own. We'll submit. Go back to our client profile here. All right. Now, here's what it looks like when we get that request through email. It'll show the same way on text message. It'll actually be a text message that'll say your tax preparer is requesting your tax documents. So let's click on that. This is what it shows. This is how it looks. This is what your client would see from an email. Of course, if this was a text message, this would be a text message with this link here. The client would click on that. That link takes them here. What they would need to do at this point, add the first document. It's going to be very important for them. They will know their credentials and last name, but we know that our guy was Webinar 9876, which will allow them to log in. That's very important. That brings us here. Whatever document that you need for them to send to you, they're able to go here and they're able to choose. Since we have not done driver's license, we'll click on the driver's license and pick on that a little bit. They'll go here, choose a file. Wherever that file should be sitting on their desktop, if you will, or wherever they have that file at. They'll choose. They'll do submit. They'll get the success in a little green bar. Here we are back over here in my client's profile where I'm at. Now I'm going to hit refresh. And there you see from our secure server, it updates and everything is there. That is how you request a document for a client in Tax Pro Docs. Very simple, straightforward, very easy. And actually, like I said, to me, the most exciting part about Tax Pro Docs, because now you are no longer tied to your desk or trying to get that client to send those documents. All right. I'll catch you here in just a little bit on the next video where I'll show you how to get Tax Pro Docs set up in case you all have multiple offices, which I know a lot of you do, and you want to keep those Tax Pro Docs separated in between those offices and admins. To show you how to get that set up, and we take care of that out at Tax Pro Alliance SharePoint. So I'll see you all in a bit with that video. Okay? Have a good one. Thank you.